Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super handy feature on your iPad for 2025: splitting the screen to multitask like a pro. Whether you're juggling work emails while watching a tutorial or reading a book while taking notes, split screen is a game changer that boosts your productivity. I'm excited to walk you through this step by step, so let's get started. First off, make sure your iPad is updated to the latest iPadOS 2025 version. This feature works seamlessly on most models, but it's optimized for the newer ones like the iPad Pro or Air. To begin, open the first app you want to use. For example, let's say you're in Safari browsing the web. Next, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to bring up the dock. That's the bar at the bottom with your frequently used apps. Now, find the second app you want to split with, like Notes or a video app, and firmly press and hold its icon. Drag it to the left or right edge of the screen until you see a gray divider appear. Release your finger and voila, your screen will split into two sections. Once it's split, you can adjust the divider by dragging it left or right to resize the windows. This gives you full control over how much space each app gets. If you need to switch apps or exit split view, just drag the divider all the way to one side, and the app will take over the full screen. One cool tip for 2025. With the new gestures, you can also use a 3-finger swipe to quickly toggle between split and full screen modes. It's all about making your workflow smoother and faster. Remember, split screen works best with apps that support it, so not every app will play nice, but most productivity ones do. There you have it. Splitting your screen on iPad is easier than ever. Give it a try and see how it transforms your daily routine. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more iPad tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.